So Arsenal 0, Newcastle 2. The semi-final couldn't have got any worse. Well, it could have got worse, actually, because it could have been 3 or 4. We didn't really look like scoring. The best chance we had really was Martinelli. And man needs a neck brace. He's playing with his head down. Somebody put him in a neck brace, sitting bolt upright. Yeah, he didn't even see 29. Thomas Partey, the only player that actually progressed the ball over the top to try and create some kind of chances. Hooked. Lewis Skelly, I'm not going to go in too deep pause on him. However, Gabriel Magalhaes, you're a disgrace tonight. Yeah, and he's been our best defender, Jez, for 2.5 years. Yeah, that guy stunk from 5 minutes onwards. Yeah, our captain, oh my days. Oh my fucking days. That captain perfectly encapsulates everything wrong with this football club, bruv. Yeah, Declan Rice hiding, playing false 9. Why are you hiding, bruv? Yeah, fair play to Newcastle, by the way. Yeah, you have dog walked Tottenham all around Tottenham Stadium. 3 or 4 days later, you've dog walked Arsenal all around our stadium. And these men don't travel well, let alone in London, because normally we ping them. Yeah, well done to the faithful that travelled all the way down.
6,000.
Jez, if you're going on the coach, yeah, that's 9 hours each way, plus the game. Yeah, that's what, 20 odd hours. You're having a whole day. Well, you're taking 2 days. Yeah, they then done that, had a bit of sleep, then got up and done it again. Fair play to all the Geordies. You fully deserve that, by the way. And that was without Bruno. Tonali, Livramento, and Isak, fair play. The defense, Jez, we're crossing balls into their box here. We're 6'7" Dan Burn there. Yeah. Right? Like, come on. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. Yeah, we've got Matty coming up next.
The shit show, history and more.
And more. But it is what it is. Jezza.
Shit.
Tell us what your thoughts were on that.
Well, let's just take that first goalie, right? Their goalkeeper, free kick, yeah. They stick their 6'8" Dan Burns at centre forward. Both of our central defenders, right, like magnets, go to him, right? Yeah. He nuts it. The ball goes to, I can't think the other player's name right now, but it then goes to Isak, goal. Thank you very much.
And he pushed Odegaard out of the way. You can see him push it.
Yeah. Who cannot have worked that one out? Eddie Howe schooled Arsenal tonight. He schooled Arsenal.
Did you see how they got that free kick in the first place? Long ball up. Yeah, from, I think it was our goalkeeper, or I don't know who it was from. Yeah. Long ball up. Yeah. Lewis Hall, their left back. Right. Trossard's with him. Yeah. He just brushes him out the way. Yeah. Moves him aside, takes the ball out the air. And if Trossard had got the ball or bodied him, he's clean through because it was 1-on-1.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it was Raya that kicks it. I may be wrong. Right. Then our captain. Oh, look at me. Yeah, look at me. I'm bobbing around like a fucking dickhead. Yeah, like fucking weebles wobble, but they don't fall down, bruv. You fall down quicker. No, I'm not going to say Katie Price's knickers, but we'll say Katie Price's knickers. So anyway, he brushes Trossard off. He sees the captain running in like a fucking headless chicken. He puts his foot on the ball. Does a drag back. Free kick. That's how they scored from that. And we was in a one-on-one position with Trossard and Lewis Hall. And they scored off of that. Absolutely fucking embarrassing. Not only that, yeah, I don't want to hear no talk about referees ever again, Jez, because when they got a corner on a breakaway, Trossard, yeah, pulled back Gordon, grabbed him up by the arm and pulled him back on the halfway line. Gordon gets away. Now he catches up Isak and he pulled Isak back, Trossard. He should have had 2 yellow cards in fucking 5 seconds. Yeah, referee, corner. Yeah, they can't VAR a yellow card. He should have been sent off. Yeah, I don't want to hear no talk about fucking referees ever again. We got everything we deserved tonight, yeah? Right? And the fact is, that manager looked lost on that touchline.
Lost? Yeah. Lost? He's dead. Mate, I called this result last night. I said 2-0 to Newcastle.
Wow.
And why? Why did I say that, Lee? Because we have got a fraudulent manager, right? What did he do, Lee, when we were in the shit? Takes off Partey, brings on Jorginho. Dear God Almighty. What is that going to do to actually influence the game? right? This man is lost. He's lost. And I tell you, I want to know the answer to this one. And I will, maybe you want to bring this up on the emergency stream you're going to do, right? I want to know why that fucking arsewipe of a manager did not go and stand in front of the North Bank with that arsewipe load of players and take the abuse. No, what did he do? He walked down the tunnel. Because this is a shit show, man. And if asked, I am so angry. Why were players, the fans, walking out? Why were they not standing there, giving it the shit that he deserves? This is embarrassing. Now, I'm not disrespecting Newcastle United. They're a great team, and I wish them all the very best. Because we ain't going to go up to St James's Park.
I hope they win it, mate.
I hope they win it, because I'll be supporting them. That's one thing for certain. We ain't going up to St James's Park, because Eddie Howe will school us again. It's a shit joke. This manager needs to wake up tomorrow morning and realise you can't do it. And it's all on him. He is the person to blame, right? I was doing a watch along with the Yeti and the Mama, yeah? Yeah, right. And I think for 30 minutes in the last half of that game, I didn't say a word because it was embarrassing. This manager is a fraud and he needs to go. And if he doesn't go, it's embarrassment. I am livid. Our first chance, again, gone, of getting into a cup final. And he's thrown it in the bin. He stood there.
Looking at AirPod Albert, who's more qualified than him, and he was out of ideas.
That's all he could do.
Now the set pieces ain't working. Now what do? We need a goal. We bring on fucking Jorginho and Zinchenko.
Yes, and did nothing. And what? As soon as Zinchenko came on, right, I called it. I was watching it, and I said, "Look at him. He's going into midfield."
Yellow card straight away. Joel in and wiped him out.
See you later, mate. See you later.
Absolutely. Who was the best player on the pitch for you, like for both teams? Because for me, I thought Livramento was quality. Yeah, and I actually thought like Dan Burn was just heading everything, like, but he's about 9 foot tall. Yeah, we were playing 29 on the right wing. We brought Jesus on, who's a dwarf. Yeah, we play him up front. We put 29 on the wing. Yeah, it's like, bro, he's 6'4". Put him in the box if you're going to cross. Yeah, but for me, the best player on the pitch was Tonali. I thought he was insane, mate.
Well,
he's everything Arsenal fans tell us that Declan Rice is. He was unreal.
Declan Rice, Partey probably gave it the best, but you hook off probably the only player that can make an influence in the game for Jorginho. Jorginho, he can't run, he can't do fuck all, and I'm absolutely livid. I've never seen this club in such a, I have, but this is the worst in years. And this manager has the audacity not even to walk to the North Bank and have a word. There were fans there, I'm telling you, right? I've spoken to a few fans tonight, right, in that North Bank, waiting for him to come over. And he walked down the tunnel.
Straight down.
He hasn't got the bollocks to face them out. No. He hasn't got the bollocks, and nor of those bloody players. They know they were shit tonight, right? And they've thrown another cup in the bin.
Do you think, Jess? Yeah. Do you think that, like, because like, I look at it and I think, in my perspective, and I'll get yours here before we wrap, right? I think they're shit scared of him. He's a control freak. We've seen Aubameyang do the interview with David Ornstein. I know Ornstein's a puppet, yeah, but Aubameyang don't give a shit, brother. He say what he thinks, yeah. Right, fair play to Aubameyang, because I ain't seen the whole interview. Yeah, I've seen little snippets of it. Yeah, but they're petrified. You can't go out of this. Yeah, and if you do, you're dropped for 3 weeks. Yeah, Calafiori, flavour of the month. He was benched, never came on. He brought Zinchenko on instead. Lewis Skelly starts. Tierney started the other week. There's no fucking cohesion in this team. It's a different team every week. Yeah, when I see that lineup today, I was like, that's our best 11. Yeah, other than Saka. That is our best 11. If Saka was playing instead of, say, Trossard, Yeah, that's our best 11. Yeah, and I rate Trossard. He's been shit for a minute. I don't care. I've dropped.
Terrible.
I just want the whole club gone, bro.
Thing is, I just want to before we go, right? Before we knock this on the head, right? Let's say next Monday morning, Arteta fucks off or he gets sacked, right? And hypothetically, we get in Inzaghi, somebody like that. That top level winning manager ain't going to turn his club round anytime quick. Because that
but I think he'll make us easy on the eye going forward, and then make us better defensive. No, Jez, let's be real. Nottingham Forest have won one game more than us, and they've conceded one goal less. We're conceding goals for fun.
Even a manager of Inzaghi is not going to put us into a winning position with some of the dog shit players we've got. He is going to have to. I get you. I hear what you're telling me, but he is going to have to invest. So what? How many more years are we going to sit back here, right, and have to invest and get rid of some of the shit we've got in this club? This manager, right, I'm telling you right now, Lee, is fucking 10 times worse than the last 3 years of Wenger.
Yeah, facts. But listen, shout your channel out, Jez. I've got Matty coming up next. Kenny loitered around. He's seething. He's seething. Yeah, he's told a few people, including Adrian Durham, exactly what it is. And yeah, fans are walking out at halftime. But we've got a star-studded panel coming up for the emergency meeting. And trust me, it's generational, this emergency meeting. Yeah, and I'm a dickhead. I left my cigarettes in my missus' house earlier. So I'm going to have to smoke cigars after I run out of cigarettes. But Jez, shout your channel out. Arsenal history and more.
Arsenal history and more, man. Tomorrow night, I'm doing whatever fucking show you want to call it. And it's going to be lit. Because I've had enough, mate. I've had enough. Seriously. I've had enough of this. And for me to actually sit round here after 57 years of watching this club and say, I actually said it tonight, I don't want to watch them anymore. I'm fed up. I'm fucking fed up, Lee. I'm sorry for swearing, but I've had enough. I'm fed up of watching this dross, man. Anyway.
No, listen, on that bombshell, Matt is next. Yeah, Cronky out. Cronky out.